Hi, I'm Miss Laura, and welcome to the Franklin Park Public Library. And today we are going to make a catapult. Ooh. So in your catapult kit, you have 6 popsicle sticks, 5 rubber bands, a plastic spoon, and a pom-pom. So the first thing that you can do is go ahead and you could color your popsicle sticks. You can use markers or watercolors if you have them. Um, I'll tell you in advance that 4 of these are going to be stacked up. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go ahead and just hold these together and just color the sides of them because I know only the sides will be showing on these. I think I'm going to color the edges red. Just kind of hold them together and color the edges. And since I know these are going to show, I'm going to color the top and the bottom of it. I think I'm going to make these in stripes. Once you get your popsicle sticks colored, if you use paint, you'll need to let them dry. Um, the first thing you'll do is take your 4 that you stacked up and let's see, whoops, put this one on the wrong side. And take one of your rubber bands and put a rubber band on each end. So wrap this around several times on one of the ends. Like that, and it will hold it together. And then do the same thing on the other end. Just wrap it around several times, and that will make it really sturdy. There you go. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do next, you'll take a rubber band and attach the spoon to one of the popsicle sticks. So to do this, kind of hold the spoon on the end of one of the popsicle sticks like this and use a rubber band to tie it on. Now with this rubber band, it's going to be helpful if you kind of go up and down the spoon, like kind of spread it across the spoon, not just hold it in one place. It will be more stable if you do it like that. So, and then kind of spread it out a little bit. Next, take the other popsicle stick and attach them together at the end, that where the opposite end of the spoon. So this end, take one of your rubber bands and just tie the end together. Try to keep the rubber band in one place for this one. And don't make it really tight. Just make it enough to hold it together like that. You still need to be able to kind of open it. And then once you open it, put the bundle of popsicle sticks that you made and put it in between this and kind of move it up to the end like that. So you're going to have now this kind of tension where when you press down on the spoon, it's going to want to flip up again. And then at this point, and try to kind of move this as much as you can towards this end of the popsicle sticks. Okay, so this is kind of the bundle of 4 is acting kind of as a brace. And then get it as close to this rubber band as you can, and kind of push the spoon down and hold it down, and then take your last rubber band, and you're going to use the rubber band to wrap this on and alternate so that you kind of go on both sides of this, kind of making a kind of like a T shape. There. Okay, now you have your catapult. So you can kind of, so now you can take your pom-pom, put it in the spoon. Ooh. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have fun.